You can get your D3VR ID code from your confirmation slip, sent to your email. Ensure you set the permissions to allow all the time. This is to ensure the GPS activity logging continues in the background while the screen is off. Enter the 6-character D3VR ID code and press the green button. You will be given a 3 seconds countdown. You can turn the screen off and start your activity. To stop the activity, long press on the red button. We will process the submission and add you to the leaderboard.